One of the areas most prone to storm damage are fascia boards and barge boards. This is typically what we find installed. Boards are simply nailed onto exposed purlins, splitting the wood. This allows boring insects in, resulting in wood rot.
𝗥𝗥 installs additional support braces. These are screwed onto exposed purlins. Fascia boards are fitted to these with screws, followed by barge boards on roof gabled areas.
Barge boards are attached with screws and body washers. This provides a more secure installation. Here, gable ceilings were installed with the fascias and barge boards. This is a useful addition, as it keeps birds out of the loft area.
Ceilings under the eaves with downlights are very effective. This also keeps birds out of the loft area. Polycarbonate sheeting was replaced here. The profile matches that of the steel roofing.
Flat roof ceiling, not installed correctly, results in unwanted leaks. Painting and repairs are an ongoing maintenance procedure. Silver painting annually extends the bitumen ceiling lifespan.
Like what you see? Give us a call, WhatsApp, or Messenger today.